All right, guys, so I just got a couple new ammo crates. I've got, these are the Harbor Freights. And this is, I've got some batteries in here, lithium polymer batteries for remote control airplanes and whatnot. And that's what I store those things in. But lately it seems like every time I get one of these things from Harbor Freight, the lid does this. Comes off super easy. And it gets pretty annoying because that's not how you want that to be. Look at this one. I don't know if that's in the video, but the lid's not coming off. So real quick, I was about to make this other lid not come off, and I thought, you know what? I'll just do a quick video. So it's real simple. All I do, take your lid off. I've got a pair of these. If you don't own any of these what do they call them? Wrench pliers, I think. They're just slip jaw. They've got parallel jaw pliers from Knipex. These things are awesome. They're kind of pricey, but they're great. But all I do is come in here, squeeze these down a bit. I mean, and you can do this with just some pliers or whatever, but if you've got these are nice. Squeeze these down. They'll collapse. And then what I do is I'll go to this one, and it might work fine if these two, but typically what I do is I come into this one and I just bend it up a little bit, and then I bend this one down a little bit. And I've not experimented to see if that makes a huge difference. And then you just line all this back up. All right, so then you just test it out a little bit. And you can set it basically to your own preference. So that's, let's see. I may need to squeeze that a little more. That's not bad. I just want it so that it can still come off if I need it to come off, but I don't want it coming off. Actually, on this one, I'm gonna tweak. Let's see, I went up, down. I'm gonna go up a little bit with this one. And I'm gonna go down with this one. I probably went a little far on that, actually, but you can tweak it. And if you like your lids falling off, I mean, you obviously don't have to do anything. But if you're watching this video, you're probably sick and tired of it. All right, so I went too far down on this one. This is going to be tight, I can tell. Yeah, so. All right, let's see. All right, that should do it.